Alright, it is a beautiful spring morning here in South Carolina. We're out to hike to Virginia Hawkins Falls. We've had a lot of rain recently, so I'm hoping conditions will be perfect for it. Made it to the waterfall. Flow is looking good from all the recent rains, nice and green from the springtime. So looking forward to shooting this. Step one, got to do a little bit of cleanup, fallen branches in the stream, kind of get those out of my way. And then for the composition, I'll probably start further back and then slowly make my way up to the waterfall and then come back again and see if there's anything that I missed, maybe with a different focal length lens. But I'll set it up here. We'll start cleaning up and see what we get. It's a good shoot. Waterfall was looking good. I definitely got the easy, obvious shots out of the way first and then kind of looked around for what I thought was interesting. And definitely found these very small flowers that I liked. And hopefully got off a good focus stack image of that with the waterfall. Starting to rain a little bit now, so we're gonna head back and see what we got. Okay, so I like the final edit, so now I want to go ahead and make a print of it. So my first thing I'm going to have to decide is what paper do I want to print it on. So I have several options. These are all sample packs of 8x10s that I've gotten from various manufacturers to print here. And I'm basically going to pick one that I know is going to have a little bit of gloss to it because I really want those greens to be vibrant in the print. So I've narrowed it down to these two papers that I like. This Red River Palo Duro Burrita. And I like that for the drone photo because it's a little smoother but still has that gloss that I want. And then this Canson Burrita Prestige 2, which has just a little bit more texture, which I think will help to add a little bit to those flowers in the foreground in the other photo. So we'll go ahead and get this started on the printer and see how they turn out. Alright, so here's the first one of the flowers. And here is the drone photo. Here are the two finished prints. It's always great to see a print after being out on a photo shoot. But which one do you like better? The drone photo or the focus stacked flowers? Let me know in the comments, and if you're interested in buying one of these prints, send me a message. See you next time.